What's up, guys? Today we got Jaden and we got Jacob over. We're gonna have a little surprise for you today, but right now we're putting in some speakers in Jaden's car. I don't think his car's been on the channel yet, but just disconnecting this battery just to be safe.
Jaden being featured.
Pretty darn clean.
As you guys just saw with Brennan in the intro, we got a few things going on today. His car's kind of rolling, even though it's in park, but we don't know. But yeah, we got a few things in store. I got a new car, so I don't know what you guys put in like the comments of the last video. I don't know if anybody did comment, but I did end up getting a new car, and it's something totally different than what I suggested I was gonna get or anything like that. But we got Brennan's car, we got Jaden, who y'all just met, and yeah, we got a few things to do. I think Jaden's putting in his speakers right now, so he's trying to get off the door panel right now. We'll be replacing the speakers. We don't rep no fake wheels around here, Jaden.
Honestly, it's either stocks or
It's either stocks
or Boston's or nothing.
Boston's or nothing. What year is this?
2010.
For a 2010 Accord.
Yeah.
The door panel, you need to take it off. It's just clipped on all the way around. You just gotta pry it off.
Damn, I put the clips back in while taking the shit off.
But yeah, you just gotta unclip it all the way around, and then it should just pop off.
You're gonna hold this out while you pull.
There's also 2 screws in the door handle. There's 2 that you have to take out. And then it should just pop off.
The fuck?
And you actually have to pop off this little cover that goes over the part that you grab in the door. We just use a flathead, popped it out, and then just screw it down in there.
Do you need a smaller Phillips?
We discovered there's this little flap right here that goes up under the goes up under the controls, and there's a screw right there, and now the door just falls right off. You just have to unclip the wires that are back there.
Instead of doing that, I'm just like, I turn this up like that.
And he's just gonna go the cheap ghetto route and you know, just turn it so that we can access the speaker.
Seems
So
good.
Yeah. Dub, we got put a coat hanger and something under it to not scratch it, and we got the door panel just hanging using the new speakers.
You need some scissors.
And he just popped out the old one. That was the old and new. They're just plug and play?
Yeah.
Slammed life.
Race car life.
So we went to go put the new speaker in, and the magnet on the back was actually too big, so we had to put the stock ones in, and he's gonna have to go get a different one. So yeah, they're not gonna completely go on today, and but we have something special. We're about to do the reveal of my new car. If you're watching this and you want to put in the comments what you think it is, go ahead and do that, because
I think it's a Z.
oh, you think it's a Z?
I think it's a Z. Are you ready?
It's right here behind this door. So let's see. Here we go. If you guessed the Genesis, then you're correct. This is the VK1 2011 2.0T R-Spec.
That's my mom's car.
Oh. So this is the R-Spec. It's got the 19-inch wheels with the factory Brembos. The leather trim interior. It's a 6-speed manual. It's got a stage 3 clutch. Stage 3 competition clutch with a lighter flywheel. It's pretty nice.
It's a little wet right here.
No, it's not. That's just from standing there then.
Me and Jay were standing in there, and that's why. Let's pop the hood on this thing. It has the Genesis badges all the way around. But chill out. Don't mess with my e-brake. Got the Art of Speed. I'm about to change out this grill though. I like the all mesh one better. Yeah. Hey, come. Y'all wanna come see this? Yes. He ain't never seen under here. So, we got a K&N Typhoon intake, which I need to clean that. We got the front mount intercooler piping. It's all aluminum piping to the front mount intercooler.
So where's the turbo at?
We got a turbo, I think it's an XS blow off valve. And it's got shifter linkages, short throw shifter. Oh, and it has a stage 1 BTR tune with launch control. So we got a little tiny baby turbo back here. And that's where the turbo is.
Oh, there it is.
What you know about that Gear 67?
Yeah, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I wasn't really planning to go with the Genesis, but I looked at it, saw this one, it was really nice, and decided to go for it.
So, yeah, that was welded on about 6 months ago. But so with the stage 1 BTR tune, if you're not familiar with it, this car from the factory, the first generation Genesis makes about 210 horsepower to the crank, so it's not that much. So probably about 180 to like 170 wheel. But with the tune, the dyno sheets that BTR comes out with says it's probably making about 240, 250 wheel, which is why it has the upgraded clutch. And like you can definitely feel it. Like I didn't think like the small turbo would be able to tell, but you can definitely feel it a little bit. And it sounds so good. The blow-off valve and the turbo noise that this thing makes is insane. I'll let y'all hear it in just a second. I'm about to pull it out the garage, and yeah. I forgot to tell y'all, it also has somewhat of an exhaust. It's not like one that you have to buy, but it is a mufflerly, the secondary cat's cleared, so it has a resonator and a primary cat still. So I'll start it up for y'all. It still has like stock tips, which I don't really like. I probably want to get the quad tipped eventually, but I'll show y'all what it sounds like.
This is the muffler delete right here. There's normally a muffler, but there's just a pipe, and the resonator's still down there. So, and these are the tips that I don't like. I want the quad tips; they're so much better.
Alright, he's about to give it a few money revs.
Crank it up.
So it's better than stock. It's got like what, a muffler delete?
A muffler and a secondary cat delete. Still has the resonator and the primary cat. It's already pretty warm, so I'm gonna give it just like a few little revs. We're gonna film back here so you can hear what it sounds like from the exhaust, and then I'll let y'all hear the blow-off valve up front. Alright, now y'all want to hear what Mason Boot sounds like? Alright, here comes launch control. If we go to the back and hear it.
Okay, you're talking about the picture you put up with like. That's the one that we looking at behind.
Oh, Jesus.
Yo, what's up guys? So I was editing this video and I noticed that I forgot to film an outro, and I'm sorry about that. I keep doing that. But anyway, we went to go have lunch. We ate some Chinese, hung out for a few more hours, and that was about it. So we didn't really do much in this video, but that's the car I got. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I love reading all the comments if there are any. So yeah guys, peace out.